Hello everyone, today we will see wireless sensor networks. We will cover introduction, architecture of wireless sensor network node, architecture of sensor node, wireless sensor network versus MANET, characteristics of wireless sensor network, applications of wireless sensor network, design challenges, advantages of wireless sensor network, disadvantages of wireless sensor network, features of wireless sensor networks. A wireless sensor network is a wireless network consisting of spatially distributed autonomous devices using sensor to cooperatively monitor physical or environmental conditions such as temperature, sound, vibration, pressure, motion, or pollutant at different locations. A collection of sensing devices that can communicate wirelessly. Even though wireless sensor has limited resources in memory, computation power, bandwidth and energy, with small physical size it can be embedded in the physical environment. Self-organizing multi-hop ad hoc networks. As we will see wireless sensor network architecture over here, sensor node is connected to the gateway sensor node. Architecture of a wireless sensor network, special addressing requirement, local unique addresses, data centric. Example is each node has an unique number, attribute based naming architecture. Data is named by one or more attributes. Example is each node is distinguished by an attribute. GPS sensor are practical for this. Sensor, a transducer, convert physical phenomena, example heat, light, motion, vibration and sound into electrical signal. Sensor node, basic unit in sensor network, contain on board sensor, processor, memory, transceivers and power supply. Sensor network consists of large number of sensor nodes. Nodes deployed either inside or very close to the sense phenomenon. We will see architecture of sensor node. Here it is a power source, microcontroller, transceiver and external memory. Sensor 1 is connected to ADC and ADC is connected to the sensor 2. Data aggregation in wireless sensor network. Solve impulsion and overlap problem. Energy efficient. Wireless sensor network versus mobile ad hoc network MANET. Here we will see similarity. Wireless sensor network is wireless and MANET multi-hop networking. Security, wireless sensor network symmetric key cryptography, MANET public key cryptography. In routing, wireless sensor network support specialized traffic pattern, cannot afford to have too many nodes, state and packet overhead. In the form of MANET, support any node pair, some source routing and distance vector protocol incur heavy control traffic. Resource in wireless sensor network, tighter resources, power, processor, speed, bandwidth, and in MANET not as tight. Now we will see what are the characteristics of wireless sensor network. Power consumption constraint for node using batteries or energy harvesting, ability to cope with node failures, mobility of nodes, heterogeneity of nodes, scalability to large scale of development, ability to withstand harsh environmental condition, ease to use, cross-layer design. Now we will see factor influencing wireless sensor network design. Fault tolerance, scalability, production cost, hardware constraint, sensor network topology, environment, transmission media, power consumption. It covers the 3 point: sensing, communication, data processing. Now we will see what are the applications of wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network used in the military application, environmental application, health application, home and office application, automotive application, other commercial applications. Advantages of wireless sensor network: it avoids a lot of wiring, it can accommodate new devices at any time, it's flexible to go through physical partition, it can be accessed through a centralized monitor. Disadvantages of wireless sensor network: lower speed compared to wire network, less secure because hacker laptop can act as access point. If you connected to their laptop, they will read all your information like username and password. More complex to configure than wired network, get distracted by various elements like Bluetooth, still costly at large. It does not make sensing quantities in buildings easier. It does not reduce cost for installation of sensors. It does not allow us to do more than can be done with a wired systems. Now we will see what are the design challenges of wireless sensor network. Heterogeneity: the devices deployed may be of various types and needs to collaborate with each other. Distributed processing: the algorithm need to be centralized as the processing is carried out on different nodes. Low bandwidth communication: the data should be transferred efficiently between sensors. Large scale coordination: the sensor need to coordinate with each other to produce required result. Utilization of sensor: the sensor should be utilized in a way that produce the maximum performance and use less energy. Real-time computation: the computation should be done quickly as a new data is always being generated. Now we will see operational challenges of wireless sensor network. Energy efficiency, limited storage and computation, low bandwidth and high error rates. Errors are common. Wireless communication, noisy measurement, node failure are expected. Scalability to a large number of sensor nodes. Survivability in harsh environment. Experiment are time and space intensive. Features of wireless sensor network, that is smart home, sensor controlling appliances and electrical devices in the house, better lighting and heating in the office building. The Pentagon building has used sensor extensively. Now we will conclude wireless sensor network possible today due to technological advancement in various domains, envisions to become an essential part of our lives. Design constraints need to be satisfied for the realization of sensor network. Tremendous research efforts being made in different layers of wireless sensor network protocol stack. Thank you.